In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Samsung Galaxy phone or tablet to an external drive like this Samsung T7, or if you have a drive like this one, this is a Western Digital Easy Store. You can back it up to this, or even a simple flash drive like this one. This one has USB-A and USB-C on both sides. This phone uses USB-C, and if you don't have a USB-C drive, so for example, this one uses this cable right here. So it plugs into here, and it has a USB-A port on the other end. So that would not fit in your phone right here. So what you need is a USB-C adapter, or you could have one of these USB-C dongles that you can plug into your phone, and then this USB-A end plugs into one of these ports right here, and then you can do the backup. I also have this one right here that I also use, USB-C here, and you have a number of USB-C ports plus a USB-A port. Again, you can plug this drive right here into the USB-A port, and the other end right here into your phone. The drive I'm going to be using is the Samsung T7, and I'm going to plug it directly into the phone to do the backup. So let's get these out of the way and unlock. The first thing I want to do is plug the cable, this USB-C cable, into the phone, and then the other end into my Samsung T7. Now you want to go to settings and down to a content backup. So select external storage transfer, then USB storage, and it's going to index the files on your phone for backup. It's done. And then here you can back up everything, just the calls, contacts, and messages, or custom. Under custom, you can actually select exactly what you want to back up. So you can select the calls, contacts, messages, apps, the wearable apps, and all of this along here. So in my case, I have 9 different categories I can select. For this video, I'm going to back up my images just because of time. So I'll uncheck this and select only images, and then I scroll down and select backup. And then it will be encrypted in your Samsung account. So it says it's going to take 80 minutes right now, but I've done this backup before. So it's with the Samsung T7, it's probably going to be about 3 minutes. So let's get back to it when it's about 95%. So I'm about 4 minutes in, and it's at 98% already. So this took about 4 minutes to back up about 15 gigs of images. So it's depending on the drive and the speed of your drive. It's just wrapping up right now. All right, and after it's done, it gives you the results, and just click next, and you're done. If you choose to restore this data, you can just choose again, external storage transfer. And then from here now, you're going to choose restore from. And this is the last backup I did. You select that, and it's going to index the file. And again, everything, you can choose everything. But you know, it just backed up under the images. So if you select custom, and then next, images is only data you're going to see to restore. So you select your images, and then hit restore. If you had all your files, they will all show up right here, all the files that you backed up. But I only backed up the images, so that's all you're going to see. You just hit restore, and it will just restore it back to your phone. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please hit that like and subscribe button.